Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, October 3rd, 2012. And that was my face down there in the bottom corner. Perhaps I only have a face fit for radio. Take a look here at the markets as a whole. We have the Dow up, the S&P up, NASDAQ up, Russell's down. Now, I said that we had a really good chance of going bearish, and I still hold my guns on that, and I'll share with you my technical reason for that. We're at break even basically on the NASDAQ. However, the S&P up, or NASDAQ, the Dow rather, the S&P up 0.36%, NASDAQ up 0.5%, Russell's down 0.2%. It's interesting to see that we have the NASDAQ leading, Russell's lagging. Usually they're in cahoots with one another, and we have the banks up 0.25%, VIX down almost 2%, still below 16. Break even here on gold, silver break even, crude oil down a whopping 4.14%. That whistle was my cell phone giving me a text, and US dollar up 0.25%. Trend here is at 0.87, but check this out, the transportation index of 1.2%, giving a lot of bullish market internal support to the Dow itself. Here's why I am still bearish on the market. And I say that in the face of the economic news we got today with the ADP report coming out and saying that we had a increase in jobs come in September, beating estimates, which is nice to see. But here's technical reason. Support resistance. We break down to support again. We did not do a touch and go. We are hanging out, and we cannot get off the 20-day moving average. What we want to do is bounce at the 20-day moving average, bounce at the 20-day moving average, 20-day moving average, blue line bounce. We're just stuck in it right now. But more importantly, we cannot get off this support level. We drop, we hit, we hit, we hit, we hit, we hit. This is looking to break down. A much bigger chance right here, a much better chance of a drop commencing than a pop. If we do get a pop, I see us stalling at 1465 area or thereabouts, and then dropping from there. So what I do not foresee happening with this formation is a rally back to this area of resistance. So mark my words on this. Now let's take a look at Apple for all you Apple junkies. There is the bounce we got off the 15-day moving average with the doji. I said probably a good chance to go long yesterday, and sure enough, got a nice little pop here on Apple, up 1.5%, not too bad. Google, I said, was probably a better short, but check this out, it's still holding its own. We do have a lower high, higher low inside trading day, but Google is up for the day. But I think its time is numbered, and I think that we're going to see a nice little correction fairly soon. On Google, let's take a quick look at gold, and gold is still staying below that resistance line, which is no good because that is a rising wedge, and we could falter here. MACD giving us a bearish divergence too, so watch out for gold. Gold is in a precarious position here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to send out a recording for tonight's 101 webinar that we've had well over, right? We had a big group of people sign up for, and we are going to do our graduate exclusive study group, our monthly study group, not tonight but tomorrow, just because of the huge debate that's taking place here in the US. And many people said that they were just looking for the recording and they would not be here for the actual live event. So we're again, the 101, that's a public webinar, free for anybody that wants it, and you can sign up on the website going under events or the calendar of events, and that will get you signed up. Anybody that does will in fact get a recording of that event, and it's actually a pre-recording. And so with that said, we will postpone the graduate mentorship webinar, and that will be for tomorrow instead of tonight as planned. So there you have it. Share us with a friend. Take care, and I hope to be your future mentor. We do have a mentorship coming up in a few weeks. Hope you can join us.